Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be looking at appointment schedules within Google Calendar. What are appointment schedules? Appointment schedules allow us to set aside a reoccurring time within our calendar where people can book slots to meet up with you. So let's get started with setting these up. The first thing that you need to do is make sure that appointment slots are available within your settings. Move up to the settings cog in the top right corner of your screen and click to open the settings page. From here, click on appointment schedules in the left toolbar and make sure that it's enabled. From here, we can return back to our main page and begin building one. From here, we need to move to the Create button in the top left corner of the screen and click on Appointment Schedule. This will bring up our bookable appointment schedule sidebar, which will give us a lot of options with which to customize our appointment schedules. I'm going to use the example of one-to-one meetings in this case that I want to set up with my team members. Firstly, you can decide how long you want each of your slots to be it 1 hour, 30 minutes, or another custom amount. You can then decide if you want your slots to repeat weekly or not repeat at all. You can also choose what days you'd like to have your slots active and the times that you want for each. For this example, I'm going to choose Thursdays, but I also want to put in an hour break for lunch. So using the plus button here, I can add that break automatically and set the hours of availability. Below this, we have options for our scheduling window. This allows us to either make our appointment schedule available from now or to set the start and end dates of it automatically. From here as well, you can also choose the maximum amount of days ahead of time that somebody can book an appointment slot with you and the minimum time that they can book one. Adjusted availability allows you to adjust the availability of a specific date for if you know that you're going to be out of the office or unavailable at that time. Below this, we have our booked appointment settings. This allows us to set up a buffer time, for example, that gives us a few minutes between each of our appointment slots in order to get ready for the next one. And it allows you to set how many slots can be booked in one particular day to stop you from being overwhelmed with constant meetings during the day. Below this, we have our calendars checked for availability, and this will allow you to choose which of your personal calendars will override your appointment schedule and thus be unavailable for booking from people who have access to the booking page. Finally, on this page, you can choose the color of your booking schedules to differentiate them from other ones if you've got several. Let's click on the next button and move on to the next section of our appointments. Next, we can control the settings related to our booking page itself. From here, you can decide how you'd like to meet up with the people who booked your slots, be it over Google Meet, in person, a phone call, or to be decided later. I'm going to click on Google Meet for this example. Within here, we can enter a description of what our booking slots are about. In this, you could include perhaps links to resources that your attendees should read before they book a slot with you. Below this, we have an incredibly useful tool, which is the booking form. The booking form appears whenever anyone tries to click an appointment slot within your appointment schedule. This allows you to collect information from your attendees before you have the meeting with them. You can add specific items, but also custom ones, such as reason for meeting. Clicking the required box means that any of these additions to your booking forms must be completed before a slot can be given. It's also a good idea to click Require Email Verification, as this ensures that no time is wasted by people incorrectly booking or booking slots when they don't have access to the email related to them. Below this, you can set up your own reminders for booking slots and can add multiple reminders as you can for your other calendars within Google Calendar. Don't forget to click Save once you've finished editing your appointment schedule. Finally, let's take a look at how that looks. Clicking on your appointment schedule will bring up the event page for it. From here, you can click on Share to get a copyable link that you can share with whoever you like, or the option to embed your booking schedule upon to a website. Let's take a look at how the booking page itself looks. Opening it up, you can see the available slots in the future, and anyone who clicks on the link that you've shared may click into one of these, complete the booking form, and book a meeting with you. Once you've confirmed that booking, it will jump into both your own calendar and the calendar of the person who's booked it. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Here at the Live Learning Company, we aim to take the hassle out of tech and put the human back into digital training. We deliver scalable training sessions in productivity and collaboration apps such as Google Workspace and Microsoft 365. Our sessions are delivered live by trainers, meaning you can ask questions as you learn. Click on the link to see our website and learn more.